Hello, so installing Pearson Writer, there is one little minor side effect that you need to adjust to figure this out. So this video shows you how to fix this and why it's important to fix it. So this is part 2. So after you've installed Pearson Writer, which was shown in a previous video, there's something you need to do. So you click on Edit, hit Edit Settings. This is why this is important, okay? This external tool, actually, that's fine. You don't have to mess with anything up there. If you want to, you can actually put under Show More, you can say, this is the link to Pearson Writer. Okay, you don't have to do that. If you want to, that's fine. That's not what this video is about. What you do need to do is change the grade. So when it automatically defaults to have this be a graded assignment. No. So just change that to none. None. Okay, because this is not, a thing. So yeah, and then save and return to course. Because if you don't do that, then it'll show up in your gradebook as an assignment that's worth 100 points. So we don't want that. So again, for love, click on Edit next to Pearson Writer, Edit Settings, and then you go down to Grade and make sure that the type is none and it's not categorized. Okay, and then you're fine. That's it. That's all you have to do. Okay, make sure you do that. If you don't, then it's going to screw up the gradebook. Yeah, fun. Okay, you can do it. Bye.